trying to record. I was sitting
this side here on your right.
on the right. Battery's low. Oh, mate, look at those trees.
Okay, we're halfway through a dust storm. Driving around in a dust storm.
Oh, here we go.
And it's coming this way.
How does it feel on the steering, Elderden?
Yeah, very wobbly.
Very wobbly.
Can't feel it too much, it's a good race on it.
Yeah. I reckon we'll be kind of alright. We're in the middle of a town. But the clouds don't look too nice, I think.
Power on it, I think.
Oh, this wind really all of a sudden picked up.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this dude's running now.
I wonder if he's just running in the ball game.
Nothing. Don't you get that? Okay, look at Edwin.
Oh, far out, mate. Let's
Oh, we're gonna get inside the house.
get inside the house. Oh, that is a little bit dusty on the eyes. Oh, shocking.